Hi, and welcome to Spring 2021 at Delaware Tech. My name is Nicole Trowett, and I'm going to be your instructor this semester. I'm teaching English 101, English 102, English 111, and Psychology 121. So I'm going to upload this welcome video to all of those classes and welcome you all to the spring semester. The courses are all laid out very similarly, so in order to get started, you'll go into the course, make sure that you click on Content in the top left corner, and then on the left sidebar there should be a Getting Started tab. That will take you into a module that includes all of the information available to help you get yourself oriented in the course. I am also offering open house meetings all week via Zoom in the morning, the afternoon, and in the evening. Hopefully these will be smaller groups than class, so you may feel more comfortable hopping into one of the Zooms. It might just be you and me. It may be you and me and one or two other students. So hopefully you'll be more comfortable asking questions. I'll be happy at that time to meet you sort of face-to-face via Zoom and help you navigate the course and find your way around and answer any questions that you might have or address any concerns that you might have about this semester. I know that this is a challenging semester for a lot of students. I know that everyone is facing obstacles in their personal and professional lives. So I'll do my best this semester to make sure that everybody has what they need in order to be successful. I'm very flexible and I'm happy to work with you. I'll answer your questions and help as much as I can, but I just need you to feel comfortable reaching out to me if you need something or if you have a question or if something's unclear. I'm really easy to work with, and I'll do my best to help and to be supportive of your success this semester. So with that said, good luck, have fun, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.